Good night. I know it's late, but this one can't wait. This one got me out of bed. I was just watching the news and I understand now Tesla is having trouble. It's like Elon Musk, Medusa. Honestly, why is it that everything he's touching or has touched is going so left? The wheels are falling off of everything. Oh gosh, what a mess. Now he's messing up Tesla. What's this? A recall on 300 and some odd thousand vehicles in the US? Does he have a vendetta against us or what? Ooh. Mm-mm-mm-mm. This is really a time we're living in. Why is it that everything he touches turns into something other than shinola? They say if money can fix it, it's not a problem, but this is a problem and money can't fix it. Good night.